Hello, my dear students. Nice to see you again. Welcome to the ঘরে বসে শিখি. I hope you are pretty much well by the grace of Almighty and stay at home in safe, because we are passing pandemic coronavirus and we have no school, but we have to study. So let me introduce myself. This is Rayhana. I am English teacher for class 5 students, and I am not only my school but also for all over the country now. Okay. Hello my dear students. Do you like to listen song? Oh yes, you are agree to me. Now let's start. We are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, we are not afraid today. We are not alone, we are not alone, we are not alone today. Oh, deep in my heart, we do believe that we are not alone today. How do you feel? Do you enjoy? I think you are enjoying. Now we are going to start our lesson. Before going to start our lesson, please have a look. What can you see in the screen? There are some birds flying in the sky, and I have also one bird. I cut by paper, with paper for you. This is a bird. So today our lesson is birds on strings. Where the birds on strings? So this is a bird. It's a glue. It's a glue. This is a hanger. This is a hanger, because we need this. This is a string. This is a string. There are 3 color of papers. 3 color of papers. This is a scissor. This is a scissor. So again I show. There are 3 papers. There are 3 papers. This is a string. This is a bird. This is a hanger. This is a hanger. This is a glue. This is a glue, because we need these birds on a string. To make birds on a string, we need these all are things. So please have a look on the board. I wrote here before the class. String, string, hanger, hanger, scissor, scissor, glue, glue, across, across, inside. I put the glue inside the book, inside the book, inside. So you have understood what is the meaning of this word. Now pronounce with me. String, S-T-R-I-N-G. Spell with me. S-T-R-I-N-G. String. Hanger, H-A-N-G-E-R. Hanger, S-C-I-S-S-O-R. Scissor, glue, G-L-U-E, glue. Across, A-C-R-O-S-S, across. Inside, I-N-S-I-D, inside. Let's move on a sentence. How to make sentence? This is a string. This is a string. Hanger. I have a hanger. Scissor. We cut something by scissor. Glue. This is a glue. I have a glue. Across. The boy across the road. Inside. I put a pencil inside the book. I put a pencil inside the book. Okay. Let's open your book. Please open your book at page number 64 because our lesson is unit 16. Page 64. Please take your book also and open at page number 64 and put your finger on the line. I am going to read out this text. Okay. Please listen carefully and read with me and put your finger on the line. Make birds on strings. You will need a hanger, 3 pieces of string, 3 pieces of colored paper, scissors and glue. Trace the bird twice on each piece of paper. Cut out the birds, draw an eye on each. Number 2, put glue on one side of a bird. Lay a piece of string across it. Place another bird on top so the string is inside. Repeat with the other paper bird's piece of string. Tie the strings with the hanger. Again I read out, you listen carefully. Make birds on strings. You will need a hanger, 3 pieces of string, 3 pieces of colored paper, scissors and glue. Trace these birds twice on each piece of paper. Cut out the birds, draw an eye on each. Put glue on one side of a bird. Lay a piece of string across it. Place another bird on top so the string is inside. Repeat with the other paper birds and pieces of string. Tie the string with the hanger. Okay? You try it at your home. Okay? And you can enjoy, I think. But now I want to check your learning. So look at the board. Please look at the board. I write down 3 sentences here. You also take your notebook and pen and try to find out the blanks word, which the correct word. Fill in the blanks. Make birds dash strings. Which word? You have to write down here. Please find out. I think you can find out from your text. Which word? Please check your answer. On. Are you all right? Please tick mark on your khata. Make birds on string. Which word I write down here? On. You also write down. dash on I on each. Can you find out? Yes, because you are brilliant, my dear students. Which word? Draw. Which word? Draw. Please write down in a hurry and show your parents. Okay, have a look again. Dash the strings to the dash. Which two words you have to write down? Please try to find out from your text. Yes, you are right. Tie. Please check your answer. And hanger. Okay, dear students, in the meanwhile, we have completed the text birds on string. I think you enjoy the class because it is a good exercise for you. You can make by your own self, by any colors of papers, but you need some things, you collect it and try to make it at your home. Okay, now I have a homework for you. Make 5 sentences about your favorite hobby, because this is a one kind of hobby. Only make 5 sentences about your favorite hobby. Please, sure, you have to write down these 5 sentences and you have to complete it, because after opening your school, when remain open your school, then you have to show your class teacher. Okay, so my dear students, we are enjoying the class and you are at home, and you have to wash your hand frequently and safe, and stay at home, never go outside. Till then, bye bye.